Sandy.
Yeah, I know Mum never takes us out. Whoa, gotta love that rear drive shaft.
No, it's just the clutch on its last legs by the sound of
Yeah. See this thing at 110. God, it's already revving its guts out at 110. If only you had a fifth gear.
No, you're doing a good thing. We're only doing 100, we're not doing 110, so.
Gets its best economy around 80 anyway. This car's better for Tasmanian roads because basically there's like the one highway in Tasmania where you can do 110. So that and the one down to Hobart.
Yeah, this will be. Yeah, this is
This will be slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically everywhere else is just 80.
Sometime, so I'm not really sure when, but there's a guy that's going to be selling cherry ice cream around here. Around the top of the mountain.
To the right, can you see that? To the right where that truck's parks, or the 4x4, I mean.
Yeah, right there.
Normally there's like sometimes there's a van there that sells cherry ice cream homemade, and it's